In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the View All button text in the Dawn theme on your Shopify store. It's a quick and simple process that should take about 5 minutes of your time. Let's dive right in and explore how you can customize your theme to suit your brand's unique voice. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin panel. Log into your account and head directly to the My Store section on your dashboard. This is your command center for everything related to your store, from viewing orders to managing products. The dashboard can be a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry. We're here to focus on one small section today. Once you're comfortably in your store's home area, it's time to head over to the online store section. You'll find this option in the navigation pane on the left side of the screen. Clicking on it will reveal all your theme related options. This is where the magic of your store's appearance happens, so it's a good area to be familiar with. Next, find the themes section. Here you'll see the Dawn theme listed if it's the active theme for your store. Click on the Customize button next to it. This will take you to the Shopify theme editor, a powerful tool where you can tweak nearly any visual aspect of your website, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your brand's aesthetics and customer experience. Now in the theme editor, focus your attention on locating the specific button you want to change. Click on the button you're interested in editing. This step requires a bit of careful navigation, so take your time. Once found, you'll notice a range of settings pop up that allow you to adjust various properties of the button. You'll now want to look for the option that allows you to edit the text on the button. In many cases, it will be called something straightforward like button label or just text. Feel free to type in the new text you'd like to display. This change is a great opportunity to reflect more personalized messaging, enticing customers to explore further. Finally, don't forget to hit that save button on the top right corner of the editor. It's a crucial step to ensure that all your changes are successfully stored and go live on your website. Without saving, all your hard work could go to waste. It's a simple one-click action, but it's very important for applying your changes. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully customized the button text in your Dawn theme. This small change can make a significant difference in how your customers engage with your store. Enjoy exploring further customizations and make your Shopify store truly yours.